I'm Barry Marks with Marks & Associates, and I'd like to share with you some of what I've learned over the years representing banks, equipment lenders, and equipment leasing companies. Particularly in the small ticket world, it is not uncommon that we're asked, can I do a lease with a sole proprietor, somebody who is doing business under a trade name? Yes, that's perfectly enforceable. But dealing with individuals has a particular problem or two. First of all, people die. Is death a default under the terms of your lease? Second, you have to file your UCC under the correct name of the individual, not the trade name, and not a name that you think might be right. Now, there are laws that vary from state to state, and we're getting closer to uniformity. But generally speaking, you can rely on the driver's license in determining who that lessee is and what his name is. It must be a correct name, though, because if the indexing system of the particular state does not lead to the right person, your filing may be ineffective. On the subject of joint lessees, let me just say that we prefer to see a guarantee. Think about it this way. If you're talking about a true lease, you have multiple parties who each have the right to the use and quiet enjoyment of the equipment. Frankly, that doesn't even make sense. What happens if one of them goes bankrupt? Now, we can prepare a co-lessee addendum that will cover a number of things, such as which of the co-lessees has the power to give consents or receive notices. There should only be one. Making sure that the lessees are jointly and severally liable, so you don't wind up with one guy saying the other guy owes 50% of the rent. 3, very important that at all times it's clear nothing you're doing has anything to do with disputes among those lessees. You are simply allowing there to be joint parties liable for payment. You are not to get in the middle of a situation in the event the lessees start squabbling among themselves. We've seen that situation more than once. For this and other information, visit us at www.leaselawyer.com.